In today's video, I'll be running through a few of my pre-trip travel essentials. I'll explain a few of my favorite travel hacks that you can do by using simple things that you'll find at Dollarama, Dollar Tree, or whatever local dollar store you have in your area. I will always head to the dollar store before my trip and pick up one of these large Ziploc bags. There are so many different ways that you can use these during your trip. You can use a large freezer bag like this to double as packing cubes. You can also have it to put in the seat back pocket of the airplane so that you're not reaching into a dirty seat back pocket. You instead have this, and it acts as a liner. It's also great to stuff things like dirty laundry, muddy shoes, or a wet bathing suit on your trip home. I also always make sure to grab one of the quart-sized Ziploc bags as well. These are the type of bags that you will need to put all of your liquids in once you're going through airport security. The trouble is that you often have to wait until you get to the airport to get the proper sized bag. But if you buy them in advance, you can pack all of your liquids into it and be ready to go once you arrive at airport security. Give this video a like if you have ever stocked up on any of those Ziploc bags at airport security. I certainly have. Hey, they're free. You can also pick up a few straws and then string any necklaces that you'd like to bring with you so when you pack them, they don't get all tangled up together. I also find that most dollar stores are going to carry these travel-sized tubes. These tubes are just big enough or just small enough to fill up with your liquids and go through airport security while staying in your carry-on without going over the liquid limit. I've also found that contact lens containers can be perfect because you have both sides to add something simple in, like your face cream or your eye cream for a short trip. Let us know down in the comments what you use to put your liquids through airport security and in your carry-on. Do you buy these travel tubes? Do you use a contact lens container? Or do you use something else? I've seen some people get quite creative here. And then regardless of what you use to pack your liquids, I've found that picking up a bag of balloons can come in handy. I will loop these over the top of my liquid containers so that it keeps everything sealed in and prevents any leaks. Another thing that you can do is just put Saran wrap over the top and then screw the lid back on. It would look something like this, but with Saran wrap. Another great thing to pick up that you may not think about would be a dryer sheet. If you have one of these, you can just stick it in with your clothes and your luggage, and it's going to keep things smelling nice and fresh when you arrive at your destination. You may also want to consider picking up some of these bear claws. I would recommend getting one that is slightly larger than this, but there are many things you can do for it, such as having a stand for your toothbrush, so when you get to the hotel, you don't have to lie it down on the counter. It can also help if you have a razor, because the ones that are slightly bigger than this one can go on top of your razor, and then when you pack it and you go to take it out of your bag, you're not going to cut yourself. If you like to curl or straighten, like I did today, your hair, you may also want to pack an oven mitt with you. If it's the morning and you've just finished straightening your hair and then you have to head out of the hotel, you don't want to have to put a burning hot iron into your bag. If you have an oven mitt, you can slip it in the oven mitt and then pack it and be on your way. Another essential that I'll pick up from the dollar store before any trip would be a couple of different zip tags. I will use these mainly for my checked luggage, and I'll take the zip tag and I'll loop it through the two, I don't know what they're called, zipper tags, so that they are sealed together and the bag is sealed shut. The TSA agents are able to just cut the zip tie if they need it to get into your bag, so this is TSA-friendly. Putting zip ties on your zipper tags are just another way that you can prevent theft, as well as ensuring that your bag stays sealed the entire time that it is away from you during travel. And yes, just like a TSA agent, a thief could come by and they could cut the zip tag and then open your bag, but it's just an extra step that they would have to go through, which they likely won't do if they have dozens of other bags with no locks and no zip tags to pick from. I hope you enjoyed this quick video with some of my favorite dollar store travel hacks. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything that you pick up from the dollar store that I didn't mention here before going on a trip. Thanks so much for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you back here for more hacks soon. Bye!